everybody, how you doing? Today I went ahead and bought the new iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'm going to check it out for you guys. I went with the black titanium 256 gigabyte model. Here is my iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I'll be comparing it to that. I almost didn't buy it, but usually 2 generations is what gets me. If I had the 14, I probably would not be showing you this video right now. But there's pretty significant upgrades from a 13 to a 15. And after this video and the review video, I'll tell you if it's worth doing the jump. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out, and then I'll show you side by side the differences. All right, let's check it out. Now, if you don't know, this uses USB-C now. There's the difference, looks almost the same. Cameras are a little bit bigger, as you can see. The whole bezel for the whole camera system in the back is bigger as well. So of course I'm gonna have to buy another phone case once again, which is fine. There's that black titanium. Here's the weight comparison in my hands, of course. It is definitely lighter. I wouldn't say significantly. I know it's only a matter of, like 20 to 30 grams, but you can definitely feel the difference, so that's nice. If you gave someone a blindfold, they would be able to tell you the difference, which one's which. This one does not, this is the 13 with the physical volume switch. That is now gone. Now it is a button. You can still use it as a volume switch or a mute switch, or you can have it do many, many things, and I'll show you that in the review video as well. But yeah, good looking phone once again. Once again, this does have a lot of features that the 13 did not. USB-C, which is nice. Does come with a braided USB-C to C cable. I already have a wall charger that uses USB-C, so not a big deal that it doesn't include that. Most people have one nowadays. And of course, you just get your little manual, and there should be a sticker. Yeah. So that's it. 1,200 bucks, and that's all you get. But I think it's worth it. These phones are really, really good. And let me go and at least power it on for you guys. All right, guys, so that's just a super quick unboxing, kind of tell you what is included, as well as letting you guys know I will be doing a full review on this. I've had iPhones for the past 10 plus years, and I will tell you if it's worth upgrading or not, especially from the 13. My son has the 11 now, and I still have a 12 that I use. I'm actually recording this video on a 12. I'll tell you in my honest opinion if it's worth upgrading from any of those. So do me a favor, guys, please do me a favor, like this video and subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate it. If you have any questions or things that you want to see on the new 15 Pro Max, please let me know and I will get the answers for you and or make a video for you or short. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. See ya.